Swiss Bank of School.
Excellent, that was so funny.
Wow, Swiss Bank of School. Anybody? Come on, come on.
Everyone show the enthusiasm. Next word. Audience, the next word is AV Hall. AV Hall.
AV Hall. Okay. Yes, yes. Sleeping lounge.
Oh, excellent.
Oh my God. Sleeping lounge.
You guys have an absolute fire.
That's very interesting.
The next one, something we all love, the school trip.
Oh my God, the school trip, the picnics, excursions, everybody. Senator for that.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Never happened.
No, give
It happened. Come
This
on.
time it happened. This time it happened. Only this time.
Anyone else? You want to participate? A wanted train.
Wanted it. Very good.
Come on, everybody. Right? You are the host. You need to invite yourself. Come on.
Excellent, you guys are absolutely killing it. Now the next one is basketball court.
Oh my God, I think the favorite topic is basketball court. From there, yes.
Phone से नहीं देखना हेलो
Bunking court.
Oh my
God, bunking court. Let me see what the bunking. I'll make a list of that. Thank you.
That's so true. Now let's hear your take on teachers.
Teachers, I want an interesting one now. Nandini, anybody from there? Beta, give me my this side. Beta, this side.
Audience, show your enthusiasm and participate.
Come better. What one? Unpredictable creatures. My God. Please, please. Shut up.
Teachers, unpredictable creatures. Wow.
शिक्षा सुन
शिक्षा, okay. Hindi answer. Manju ma'am, where are you? Hindi आ रही है. Come on. Gossip partners. Gossip partners. Oh my God, very good. Gossiping. That's interesting. Thank you. Anyone else? From there one, wait. From here, please. Roasters? Roasters, okay. Anyone else?
Anyone else?
Go ahead with another one.
So the next word is something we all fear of. The parent-teacher meetings. PTM.
PGMs. Any synonym for PGMs? Come on, girls and boys. Well, come. Yes, come. बहुत का धुआं.
I love that.
That's interesting. वाट लगने की दुकान है. Another interesting one. Anybody? Give me shout out about वाट लगने की दुकान.
Any other answers?
Yes, please.
पापा थप्पड़ मारेंगे
पापा थप्पड़ मारेंगे. कितने पढ़े हैं बेटा?
Most favorite I think is Nitya Moriya.
Yeah. Yes, please. The day of judgment. The day of judgment.
Wow, you all are on fire. Those were so funny surroundings.
Okay, on to answer the next everyone. If you shout out applause for your partners, for yourself. Come on.
So now let us invite our motivational speaker Sandeep Maheshwari.
Bye.
मैं संदीप महेश। मुझे तो पता नहीं है कि आपका मुझे सुन के फैंटास्टिक ही जा रहा होगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि आपके दिमाग में जो सब चल रहा है वो बिल्कुल ही नॉर्मल है। So let me quote the words of a famous person.
फेमस बोले तो आगे बिल्लो क्या चाल मेरा जादू अब जो एक बोलने लगा था ना वो मैं अपनी भाषा में बोलूंगा। जिंदगी भी ना एकदम बैंगन के भरते के जैसी रहती है। पहले तेज आग से गुजरती है, फिर उसमें मसाला लगता है जिसकी नोक जज्बात और एंड में लगता है उसमें तड़का। उसके बाद बन जाती है वो एक चटकारा लाइव डिश। ऐसे ही बैंगन का भरता बनाने के लिए ना उसको कटों पर कर लेने का और
टॉपिक तो जब हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारी साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं जब एक स्टेज आता है जिससे हम टिफिन पॉइंट बोलते हैं।
टिफिन भी ना बेटो एक अलग ही दुनिया है। क्लास में घूमते ही इसका स्टॉक मार्केट शुरू हो जाता है। रोटी ले, पास्ता ले, ये ले, वो ले, और जो कोई बंदा हैवी चीज लाया ना तो समझो उसका टिफिन तो पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी बन जाता है।
जैकी जी आप तो महान हैं, तो चलिए चलते हैं।
Time is up. You can come on the stage one by one.
My suggestion to you would be, as you have already written it, so already you have now remembered that what all answer you are going to give. So just read the question and after that try to give the answer as spontaneous as possible. As spontaneous as possible. Okay? I hope you have understood. We are not reading the paper. Try to give answer in a spontaneous manner. Okay? So all the best to all of you. Thank you. And you have to read the question also.
Social media is an increasingly competitive space. How might this rising competition negatively impact influencers both personally and professionally? So the first aspect that I think is negative for the social media influencer is the rising popularity. According to the general rule of economics, and it stands in real life too, that when there is a huge demand of a skill set, when the skill set is too widely distributed, then automatically the value of the skill set decreases. The same we can see with social media influencers, there are too much of them. The people are not performing to its maximum potential. There's too much inorganic content. The content is being copied, which is natural because all types of available forms are there. And when there are people, the revenue has to be distributed among various people. Yeah, the revenue is to be distributed amongst a huge number of people, which actually cut back the revenue of per each person.
Thank you. Yes, you will big round of applause for the answer.
My question is it easier to become?
Her own name and question.
My name is Vikrant and my question is?
Class and section.
My name is Vikrant, I am from 10th B and my question is it easier to become a social media influencer or a successful entrepreneur? My answer is, it is easier to become a social media influencer because they mostly make short form contents which is made in very less time. Whereas entrepreneurs work hard and have strong dedication which drives them.
Thank you. Class 9, be a good sport. You have to listen to the answer.
My name is Ketesh Bansal, I am from class 10th B. My question is, we are all familiar with how influencers frequently share videos of themselves, their families and their locations. However, this constant sharing raises concerns about privacy. Is it right for them to use their family members in these posts? Why or why not? I think it is right to get family members in their videos because they get views only from their family members. Ma'am, for example, Saurabh Joshi, he gets views from his brothers.
Two brothers, how can they give so many?
And they're famous.
Thank you.
I am Jaskaran from 10C and my question is same as Tejas. So I believe it is crucial that family members they do not participate or they should not be shown in any type of video or any post because then it can make them a target of bullying and sometimes also happens that they can be kidnapped for any ransom. Their future might be ruined.
What you have written, you have to read that.
मैं खुद तो बोलना so their future could possibly get ruined. That is
my answer. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jabri and I'm from Tennessee. I've also got the same question just like this So actually it depends, for me it depends upon the level of privacy that the influencer invades. If a person goes into the personal space of a family member, it is wrong. But frankly, that's how you get views these days. Like for example, Flying Beast have invaded his children's privacy, which is dangerous for them and their security. Fame also brings responsibility, which influencers should certainly understand. Thank you.
Myself, Arav. So my topic is same as Jabir. My name is Arav. I am from class 10B. My topic is same as Jabir. So according to me, I have no opinion on this topic because we should not judge anyone unless we have walked a mile in their shoe. Thank you. Myself Arav, I am from class 10B. So my topic is, we are familiar with how influencers frequently share videos of themselves, their families and their location. However, this consent sharing raises concerns about privacy. Is it right for influencers to use their family members in these posts? Why or why not? So according to me, I have no opinion on this topic because we should not judge someone unless we have walked a mile in their shoe. Thank you.
My name is Arvi. I am from 10B. My question is it easier to become a social media influencer or a successful entrepreneur? In my opinion, it is easier to become a social media influencer as you can upload short content, short videos to become a social media influencer, and you can make your presence. You can make your presence. And in case of an entrepreneur, you are impacting people's lives with your work. And you need to care about feedback. There are so many stresses. You need to care about the initial fundings from where you get. But in the case of social media influencers, it's not. They do not have to care about any initial fundings. And in case of any stress, there is only one stress of what content they'll make or bullying, social media bullying or cyberbullying. You can just turn off your phone and and you not face bullying. It's not in the case of.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ishan and I am from Tennessee. My question is, many youngsters are social media influencers. Do you think that they should pursue their talent and skills or they should focus on academics and not waste their social time? I personally think that the youngsters should pursue their talent but in limit, as their studies are much more crucial. Therefore, the youngsters should prioritize their studies first. They should not be wasting their time on the phones scrolling reels on.
My name is Sean Ratra. I am from class 10A, and my question is, many youngsters are social media influencers. Do you think that they should pursue their talents and skills, or should they focus on their academics and not waste critical time? In my personal opinion, this is a very subjective question, as I personally am not on social media that much, and I want to focus on my academics and my career. But many other people want to focus on their social media careers as they see their future. Social media nowadays is a big thing. And I believe if you have passion and can work hard and can do hard work on it, you can achieve anything.
My name is Gulpreet Singh Arora from class 10A, and my question is, social media is an increasingly competitive space. How might this rising competition negatively impact people, influencers, both personally and professionally? So if we talk about professionally, social media has a lot of negative impacts, then positive impacts, because it can breach your privacy if you don't care of it. It reduces your share of your personal self as you dip yourself inside the digital world. It can reduce communication skills. That is a very important aspect when you go for any interviews or any job service. Even though it is providing a huge amount of income, it isn't a regular income. Hence it can reduce your personal benefit and as it isn't a regular income, it can harm the well-being